Hi everyone, welcome back to Treasure Lee Monthly Kit Reveal. This month we are revealing our August kits, and if you did not know, Treasure Lee is a monthly kit club. We provide 3 kits, a scrapbook kit, a card kit, and a mixed media kit. And we also do our own laser cut chipboard in-house, so make sure you visit our website at www.treasureleekits.com. Today, what I've got for you, like I said, is our kit reveal, and this is for the month of August. And while you're here though, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. We do tutorials all month long, and they are free for anyone, but make sure you come on and join the fam. Now we're just gonna hop into the kit reveal because that's why you're here. First up, we've got our scrapbook kit. And with Treasure Lee, we like to have kits, papers in our kits that are not the easiest to find. We do feature a lot of international papers, but this month we are featuring a new paper line. Well, I'm sorry, it's a line that is new to us. We've never had these papers before in our kit. So we're gonna get started. First up, we're gonna talk about the chipboard that's in the kit. And these, well, one of these sets is a new set. We've got some postage stamps. So we've got a set of postage stamps. These are new chipboard. You will be able to find them in the store. Also, our scrapbook kit retails for $52. That includes your shipping. That's US shipping only. International, just send us an email and we can give you a quote for shipping. We've also got one of our chipboard tags in the kit this month. We also like to include lots of flowers. So you're going to get this pack of flowers from 49 & Market. There are 8 pieces in here, and you get the full pack. And here's another pack of flowers that you're going to get. These are by Little Birdie. Super cute. Some extra embellishment. You're going to get these rustic gear mechanicals. Again, the whole pack. And you're going to get some more mechanicals. These are words, and they say love, travel, and laugh. Now, let's get into the paper because we know that's why you're here. All right, so like I said, we have a new manufacturer to us. This is Elizabeth Craft Designs, and this is their new line. This is a new line out. It's called Once in a Lifetime. And you are going to get 12 sheets. And this is your cover sheet. Don't toss that. Oh, I'm sorry. You get 6 sheets. Sorry about that. Or no, there are 12 sheets. I'm confused. And these are the beautiful papers. I love that they've got neutral colors in here, but they've also got some fun designs like the script here, and then you've got a solid sheet here, and then you've got this sheet of ephemera that you can go ahead and cut up. Now, how pretty is this sheet? Super duper pretty. And the back side of that's got some script on it. You've got some more ephemera here that you can cut up. These can be used as layers behind your photos, or you can just use the back side of this sheet. Got some more, another super pretty sheet. Some more script. These papers, because of their colors, can be used for masculine or feminine layouts. I can't wait to see what you guys do with these papers. Plus, we're going to have our monthly mood board challenge that will coordinate with our papers. And here's another sheet. You can cut these into 4x4s if you like. But this has been the whole set. And again, I'm sorry, you are going to get the full 12 sheets in here, plus the extra sheet on the cover and all the other embellishments. And like I said, this can be found on our website at www.treasureleekits.com. You may want to head over there and grab one, or better yet, while you're there, just go ahead and subscribe, because our kits are in limited quantity and you don't want to miss out on a single kit. So like I said, this has been the scrapbook kit, and it retails for $52. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. Okay, so if you didn't know about our cards, tags, and more kit, this is our small project kit. You can get anything in here from cards to tags, mini albums, junk journals, folios. It's just our small project kit for those that like to do small projects. And this month we're doing something fun and different. You're going to have everything in here you need to make a folio album. Plus, you're also going to get a private dedicated video. I will be creating this album step by step, and you will have access to that anytime you want to go ahead and follow along. Plus, you're going to get printed instructions on how to create the folio. So let's go through what's in here. Let's start with the folio itself. And it is by Uniquely Creative, and it is a square folio, and then it has fold outs in it as well. So let's open this up real quick. Turn it. Okay, so what you're going to get, this is the fold out that goes inside, and you'll be able to decorate all these pages. And this is the actual folio itself that opens up like this. And like I said, this goes inside. Oop, folded it wrong. So, and this, once it's done, it will be dimensional. You will be able to fold it. So that's what you're going to get to start off with. And like I said, you're going to get everything you need to create this, plus some little extras. You will be getting printed instructions. And they go step by step through here. And it tells you everything that you need to create this video. To create this folio. And then there also may be a little extra for a bonus layout. But you're going to get that. And you're also going to get some flowers. These are extra. They talk about flowers, but not these. But these are different kind of flowers. You're also going to get these gems. They're not included in the instructions, but these are something that are added extra for you. You're also going to get this chipboard frame. Again, something added extra. You're going to get this full pack of creative cuts that you're going to use to decorate. And another pack of vellum creative cuts. You're also going to get these photo mats. I absolutely love these. You're going to get 5 of each, a 2x3 photo mat and a 3x4 photo mat. So you're going to get enough of those. And then these are the papers that you're going to use to create this beautiful folio. And these are by Uniquely Creative, and this is their brand new line, Indigo Bloom, and the papers are so pretty. But you're going to use these to create a folio. And like I said, you're going to have a dedicated video. So anyone who buys this kit will have access to that folio, and our subscribers have access to that folio. To that video for the folio. And again, these are going to be all the papers that you're going to need. So you can open this up and get to work right away. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed the back to that. You're going to have this. And this is the last sheet. So this kit retails for $42. And again, it's available on the website at www.trejoliekids.com. But again, you go ahead, subscribe, and then that way you won't miss out on it, and you won't miss out on the private videos that we are going to start doing for our subscribers only. So go ahead and subscribe, and you can subscribe to any combination of kits. You can do the card kit, the scrapbook kit, the mixed media kit. You can do all three or any combination that you like. But don't miss out on these kits. Next up, we're going to have our mixed media kit. Okay, for our mixed media kit, what we've got this month, well, before I tell you what we got, let me tell you about our mixed media kit. This is a standalone kit that incorporates mediums plus a small project. The purpose of this kit is for you to try different mediums, to see what you like, to see what you don't like, or to try something new. We give you small amounts, and then that way you don't have any waste, but you can try something out, create a project, and if you like it, then you can go out and buy bigger bigger sizes of the product. And it's just about refilling some of your mediums as well. So we've had stencil butters before, but we've never had them like this. The Crafters Workshop now has, for us kit type people, smaller versions of their stencil butter. But the good thing about their stencil butter is, as long as you have the lid on it, this will not dry up. As long as your jar is not cracked, this will not dry up. So we got some fun colors. They only have a few to start with in the smaller size. So we're getting crimson. We're getting this green. Yeah, I know they kind of look like Christmas colors, but bear with me. We're also getting this pearl color. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it, but that one's a little shimmery. It's one of their metallic ones. And we're also getting the light and fluffy, which is their version of a modeling paste. We're also going to give you some tools this time around too to use the stencil butter. And this is one of the few ways that you can use it, is with their spreader. So you're going to get that. We're also going to get this 6x6 stencil. This one is called Lush Petals. I think it's going to go great with the colors. We can make some leaves, some ombre effect stuff. It's going to be really pretty. You're also going to get a mixed media board. This is one of their mixed media boards where you can use any type of medium you want on it, whether it's watercolor, stencil butter, mica's mist, or whatever. This is that. And then you're also going to get this, what size is this? I believe this is, it's not 5x7, 8x11 flat canvas board to go ahead and start creating your project with the mixed media kit. The mixed media kit retails for $47. Again, like I said, it's always going to be a standalone kit where you can open it up and you can get started. But the best part is the mediums that you have in it, you can use with mediums from past kit or all our past kits, and you can create some really fun projects with everything. But make sure that you like, comment, and you are subscribed to this video, to this channel, so this way you can see all our videos, because we create with the mixed media kit. Sometimes we do a live with the mixed media kit, so we can show you how to use the mediums in the kit. We're just not going to leave you out there with these mediums. So this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club and Chipboard. Thank you for watching. Check us out at www.treasureleekits.com, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.